In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to animate in WordPress. Animating elements on your WordPress site can add an engaging layer of interactivity that enhances the user experience and draws attention to key parts of your web page. By the end of this tutorial, you will know how to set up basic animations using the Elementor plugin. So, let's get started. First, navigate to your WordPress dashboard. Once you're there, you'll want to head over to the Pages section. This is where all your page-related activities, including editing and managing your site's content, will occur. Simply click on Pages in the dashboard menu, and you'll see a list of pages that you've created on your site. Choose the page where you intend to add animations. Next, we need to ensure that the Elementor plugin is installed. Elementor is a popular page builder that allows for extensive customization possibilities, including animated effects. If you haven't installed it yet, go to Plugins and select Add New. Search for Elementor in the search bar, and once you find it, click Install Now, then Activate. With Elementor activated, you'll gain access to a plethora of design tools right at your fingertips. Once you have Elementor ready, go back to your chosen page and click on Edit with Elementor. This will open up the Elementor editor, which offers a visual drag-and-drop interface that's both intuitive and powerful. From here, you'll be able to see both your page content and the Elementor side panel that hosts numerous design options. Now, to add animations, you'll want to drag and drop a widget onto your page. For example, let's say you want to animate a button. Simply find the button widget from the Elementor panel, then click and drag it to the section of your page where you want it placed. Once the button is in position, you can start customizing its animation. To adjust the animation, click on the widget to reveal its settings in the side panel. Switch to the Advanced tab, and here you'll find animation effects listed under Motion Effects. This is where you can play around with different animations including entrance, exit, and hover effects. Select an entrance animation from the drop-down like fade in or slide up. Feel free to preview these animations right away to see how they look on your page. Remember, not all animations are created equally, so it's important to choose ones that complement your site's overall design and message. Overusing animations can distract and overwhelm your visitors, so aim for elegance and subtlety. That's all there is to it. By following these steps and experimenting with different animations, you can create a dynamic and visually appealing user experience on your WordPress site. Thanks for watching, and happy